So we talk a lot about this in terms of being a lawyer, but it also applies to, say, being a social worker or being in the business school, a consultant, of this sense of the more words you say advising a CEO doesn't necessarily lead to the best kind of recommendation. If you're really courteous and considerate of their time, you're going to think through, okay, what are the 3 things you know? Instead of, here are the 37 things that your business should do in the next months. Or think of medicine. So I mentioned, again, that problem-solving initiative. They're students from the medical school. And one of the things we talk about is this idea of speaking in public is before anything else being in public. You can apply that to medicine in this way. Speaking with patients is before anything else being with patients. So the idea of speaking with patients is before anything else being with patients is this sense of bedside manner. Sometimes the best communicators are people who don't actually say anything. They just make you at ease by listening, by being around you. So those are some of the things that we can remember now that we're going to be representing clients, where we could say this, Ms. Christensen.
Speaking with clients is before anything else being with clients.
Yeah, you need to be a trusted advisor. So think about all the interpersonal skills that make you really good one-on-one, and just think, how can I transfer that over to a big group? Because here's one of the secrets about public speaking, particularly to a big group. You don't need to connect with everybody. You need to connect with 3 or 4 or 5 people in the room, and then everybody else is on board. You don't need to try and hit 1,000 people. If you can make it seem personal to a few people in the room, this idea of personal connection, I imagine you're also going to have the larger effect of connecting with everybody else.